What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's been a while since we did a car video on the channel, so today is gonna be a car video. Also, appreciate you guys showing love on the fog light install on the FA5. Got 12K views on that, so I really appreciate it. Thank you. That means a lot. I know y'all are probably wondering how the FA5 looks. It's been a while since we did a video on it, and it looks completely different. It actually looks really sick. Yeah, that looks sick. Well, if you're wondering how it looks, here's how it looks. Oh, we FB gang now. Oh, snap. Also, we just installed some Skunk 2 lowering springs on this thing, and got it all sitting real nice. I don't know if y'all can see. Can y'all see it? Nah, y'all probably can't. But yeah, we installed some Skunk 2 lowering springs on it. Since we bought it a couple months ago. We traded in the FA5 on it, and yeah, we bought it a couple months ago, like I said, and it was a steal. And let's see, let me show you the inside of it real quick. I think I got the keys on me real quick. Yo, keyless entry, boom, there it is, with the red seats. Oh snap, it's super clean in the inside. I love this thing. I missed the FA5, but I think I like this one better because it's newer. But yeah, today we got some new parts to put on this thing because I don't like the way it looks right now, because I don't know if y'all can see it. The headlight's a little bit condensed. They got a little bit of condensation on them. So we're gonna change those out today. Look at that fitment. Ooh wee. Look at it. Ooh. But yeah, we're gonna change out the headlights today. Right there. Got those changing out. I changed them out on my TSX a couple years ago, and it made the car look extremely brand new. So also, I'm probably gonna do the same thing with these fog lights, because these are the only things that are left to have a little bit of condensation on them. So we're probably gonna change those out in a future video. I gotta order them. But just like the FA5 the last time, I got these off of Amazon. So if you're curious, I'll leave the link down below for y'all to go check them out too, if you guys want to put them on your FB. But yeah, right now we're gonna take a trip to AutoZone and get some bulbs for the new headlights, and yeah, come back for this install. See you in a sec. All right, guys, we're back from AutoZone. So the way we have it set up right now, the low beams are LEDs. We already changed those out like when we first got the car. So those are LEDs, but for the high beams and the fog lights, we're going with the Civic H11s. So 2 are going in the headlights, or 2 are going in the fog lights. We're giving this thing a complete makeover, man. So stay tuned. All right, guys, we're getting ready to do the install. You're gonna need to unscrew this screw that's hidden like right back here. We already took it out. It's like in that little notch right there. You're gonna need a 10 mil socket. So you're gonna take this bolt off, and this bolt, right? It's hard to do it through the camera, right there. And then these 8 tabs right here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we're gonna drop the bumper. We're not gonna take it completely off. We're just gonna drop it and see how it does. So in addition to the 8 little poppers that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, you'll have to, there's 2, I don't know if it's still, is it still right there? No, but there's 2 additional screws that are like, where were they? 2 additional screws.
It mounts it to the frame of the car.
Okay,
Right
so yeah, these right here and that one right here, you'll have to get like a 3/12 inch screw, or it's kind of got like an Allen wrench head to it. That thing right on. You'll need this right there. 3/16.
Yep,
I was close.
3/16 Allen wrench.
3/16 Allen wrench, and just pop right in there, and you'll be able to get that out. And then also, there's a little popper at the end that goes through this hole right here. It's the same as these poppers right here. You'll just have to pop one of those from under there. Then you can bend it down like this, and then you can get it into the fog light, what Dad's doing right now. Then I'll do this one over here, and then you're free to do anything with the headlight. So yeah. All right, so you have to take this bolt right, this side one right here, and then there's one that runs along
right here.
all the way back there. Hold on, let's see, I got y'all upside down. I'm getting dizzy. It runs all the way back there. You have to put an extender on that 10 mil. But it's like right, it runs symmetric with this little like bend right there. So it's straight back. Straight back. You can probably see it. Oh snap. Let's see. Is it gonna focus? Focus, bro. I don't know if you can see it or not, but it's back there. Okay. Put my hand in there just again. Oh my arm. Mm-mm.
No, it's not out.
It's way back there.
Then I gotta get it in.
You gotta get in front of me?
Yes, I see
I
it
bet.
right here.
Yeah. It's loose.
There it is.
Oh yeah. You see? Right out. Yeah. Take that joke out. There it is. Yeah, that's some LEDs we put in there already. This one, oh, Jesus. Oh, I got you.
Stop bulb. The LED.
Yeah, some clips.
There you go.
There we go.
This one out. That's the side marker.
There we go.
And the bracket's got to come off of that one.
Mm-hmm. It's a side marker right there. And then that's your low beam in it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Alright, then we're gonna repeat the same process over here. We'll come back to you when we get them both in.
Good.
Alright, so right now, we're taking off the bracket to go ahead and put it on the new one. I think that's the only piece you have to do in order to get the fit right. Go. This one here. Right. Take it back up. Go. And that's it. Pop it back in. Alright, y'all, here's the final product. Dang, it looks so much better. It really does. Let me cut the lights on real quick. Oh, hold up. Sheesh. Yeah, that looks way better. Way better. Dang. All right, y'all, like I said, I'm gonna have the lights and the link to them in the description box below. Also, be sure to follow all my socials. I'll leave those in the description as well. I stream on Twitch, so be sure to follow me on Twitch. We'll play some games and hang out. But anyway, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Yeah, that's it. Hope y'all enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.